Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make butterfly lip gloss. So you're going to need your syringe, pipette, bowl, mixing tool, your tubes, and your oils. So right now I'm opening my container where I usually keep my gloss in this specific gloss, so it makes it easier to keep the gloss. And I'm pouring in and squeezing out my VersaGel, which is the lip gloss base. So right now I'm showing you guys my VersaGel and how much I poured. And now I'm taking my oils, which I'm going to use to help thin out the lip gloss base because it is pretty thick. So always make sure when you're making lip gloss you use oils. And it's your preference, but it's just preferred, so keep it thinner. Now I'm taking my vitamin E oil and I'm putting that into the gloss, and only a little bit. This helps make your gloss more thinner and shinier, which gives it that nice glow when it's on your lips. I'm also pouring some capfuls of premium castor oil, which also helps to shine in your lip gloss. Even though it's a pretty thick oil, it works wonders. I proceeded to add some hydrogenated polyisotopene, which also helps thin out your gloss and make it shiny, because we obviously love shiny lip gloss which looks good on our lips. So we gotta make sure you put the right ingredients. And this is how the gloss base currently looks with all the oils. Now I'm taking my spoon, which is what I'm going to use to mix the VersaGel with my oils, and it's going to help it thin out tremendously. So we're just going to watch that happen. Now here's a close-up of the VersaGel mixed in with the oils, and the consistency is slowly but steadily changing, and you see it's much more easier for it to dollop than before. Ahead and mix the VersaGel base thoroughly, and now I'm going to add my hollow butterflies, and these are so pretty, guys. Like, it's so cute. And I got them at Goss Supplies on Instagram, and I'm going to leave her link in the bio if you guys want to get some for your lip gloss. And you can use my code CD Cosmetics for money off. You're welcome. So now I'm just going to be putting down my gloss, and you're going to put enough so that it goes through all of the base, so that when you put it in the tubes you can see them in each tube. I'm putting some glitter from TKB Trading, and that is going to be the finishing touch to this gloss. And we're just basically going to start mixing it all up together. But before that, I'm adding my flavoring from Get Suckered, which is creme brulee, and it really smells like amazing. Like, these scents are on point. So we're just going to add that, and then after that we'll get to the mixing. And as a person who makes lip gloss, you always want to consider the coloring of your lip gloss base and your flavoring. And the color of the flavoring may affect the color of your base if you're deciding to make it clear. And this applies clear, but as you guys can see that the flavoring was like a brownish color, caramel color, but it applies clear. But if you're looking for a desired color, make sure you guys always consider that. Just a tip. When your lip gloss base is finally ready, you want to take your syringe and open it. But see, what happened was this syringe for some reason decided to act up at the last minute, and it didn't come out. Like, it just broke on me, so I have to go get another one. But make sure whenever you're using a syringe, you cut a piece of the pipette, the bottom part, so it'll be easier to squeeze the lip gloss into the tubes and get in all the crevices in it. And I didn't do that here since I already done that, but if you're doing that, make sure to do it. It will make your life so much easier. Now you're gonna just scoop all that lip gloss that you just made into your syringe, and this is a 60 milliliters syringe, and I got this a 25 pack on Amazon for like a pretty good price. And look at that lip gloss, guys. That is just so beautiful. But if you guys want me to leave the links for these products or supplies, let me know and I'll make an Amazon cart shop thing so you guys can get them in one place. So now we are finally filling up our tubes with the syringe, and look how like easy it's going because that base is thin, it is not thick. And I'm just gonna be filling up my little 5 tubes with this moonlight gloss, and the pipette helps it go all the way down to the bottom. You see it's getting in the crevices, which is what we want, because you want to make sure every aspect of that tube is filled up with lip gloss, because that's what people are buying. They're paying for it. You gotta make sure it's filled. So we're doing that to the rest of the tubes. So now I am putting on the little stoppers and caps on the tubes, and I just wipe off the rim of the lip gloss with my tissue, and I just do that on all of them. Now this is the finished product, and these are the butterfly lip glosses. And if you want it very clear, just don't put any colors or colored flavorings in it, and it smells amazing. It looks good. There's some glitter in there, and I'll give you guys a preview of how it looks up close and show a swatch, which is what it's going to look like when it's on your lips. If you would like to buy this gloss or have one of your own, you can buy this at www.cndcosmetics.com. The link will be in the bio, and check out our Instagram at c_dcosmetics on I just said that, didn't I? Yeah, I did. And this gloss is one of my favorite, and it looks so good dimmed. And if you want the butterflies actually applied on your lips, make sure to buy the ice cream wand tube version on our website. Please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you'd like to see in my next video. Bye!